Guys, last week I finally took pictures of my banjo and I made a post about it and also a new stand that I got, which I like very much. So you can go to my blog under the gear category and check that out. I also, this week, I've been practicing Hog Eyed Man, and that is the Josh Turknet arrangement from the Banjo website, and I'll also link to where you can get the tab on his site from the blog post. So, Hog Eyed Man, let me play it for you. It's in a D minor tuning. So I really like this tune. Next week I hope to be able to play it more cleanly and faster. I've got it mostly down by memory, but it's not very solid. Alright, till next week. Bye.